We've all been there. A deadline is looming. The pressure is real. And yet, crickets. Your brain has officially left the chat. Whether you're a writer, entrepreneur, content creator, or artist, staring at a blank page can feel like creative paralysis. But what if you had a tool that instantly flipped the switch on your creativity? That's exactly what Idea Spark cards do. These printable, reusable creative prompts aren't just another brainstorming tool. They're a game changer. They turn "I have no idea what to create" into "I can't write fast enough." One shuffle, one card, one breakthrough. What makes these so powerful? Instant creativity boost. Say goodbye to writer's block and creative droughts. These cards are designed to trigger ideas immediately. Limitless possibilities. Whether you need story ideas, marketing copy, social media content, ad scripts, song lyrics, or business strategies, these cards get your brain firing in new, profitable directions. Designed for success, not just random prompts. Each card is crafted with psychology-backed techniques to help you think differently, stand out, and create impact. Printable and reusable. Print them, shuffle them, mix them up. No expiration date, just endless inspiration. AI can't compete. No robotic content here. These cards spark original, human-driven ideas that resonate deeply with real people. One of 3 game-changing products included in the Build and Create Solutions Creativity Starter Kit. Get yours, plus 2 more power-packed tools for just $7.99. This offer is available for a limited time only. Don't miss out. buildandcreatesolutions.com. Follow us on social media and subscribe to our newsletter for exclusive offers and creative tips, fresh inspiration, and first access to new releases that will keep your ideas flowing effortlessly.